You're slowly destroying your petrol engine, and you don't even realize it. From bad habits at the pump to reckless driving techniques, these 5 common mistakes are silently reducing your engine's lifespan and draining your wallet. Let's break down 5 driving habits that are ruining your petrol engine and how to avoid them. 1. Revving a cold engine. One of the most damaging habits is revving your engine immediately after a cold start. When your engine is cold, the oil hasn't fully circulated through its components yet. Revving it hard during this time creates excessive friction, leading to premature wear on pistons, crankshaft bearings, and cylinder walls. Think of it like lifting weights without warming up. You're asking for damage. Let the engine idle for 30 seconds to a minute, then drive gently until it reaches proper temperature. This simple habit can add years to your engine's life. 2. Riding the clutch or shifting incorrectly, manual transmission. If you drive a manual, riding the clutch pedal or shifting at the wrong time is doing major harm, not just to your gearbox but also your engine. Staying in a gear too long or shifting too early can force the engine to work outside its optimal RPM range. Low RPM lugging causes vibrations and stress, while high RPM redlining overheats internal parts. And don't forget, constantly feathering the clutch at stops wears out both your clutch and engine mounts. Drive with intention. Smooth shifts the right RPMs and don't rest your foot on the clutch. 3. Skipping oil changes or using the wrong oil. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Skipping oil changes, using cheap filters, or using the wrong oil grade is a fast track to engine failure. Old or low-quality oil breaks down, turns to sludge, and can't lubricate properly. That leads to increased heat, metal-on-metal contact, and eventually, catastrophic engine damage. Stick to the service schedule in your owner's manual and always use the recommended oil type. A $60 oil change now beats a $6,000 rebuild later. 4. Stop and go driving without long trips. City traffic is brutal on petrol engines. Frequent idling, short trips, and stop-and-go traffic prevent the engine from reaching ideal operating temperature. This not only increases fuel consumption, but also causes carbon buildup on valves, spark plugs, and injectors. Over time, that buildup reduces power, efficiency, and can trigger misfires or check engine lights. Try to mix in longer highway drives to clear out deposits and let your engine stretch its legs. 5. Constantly flooring the throttle. Hard acceleration might feel great, but if you're constantly flooring the gas pedal, you're putting serious stress on your engine. High RPMs cause extreme internal pressures and heat. Doing this regularly, especially when the engine is cold or under load, can wear out piston rings, head gaskets, spark plugs, and even damage your catalytic converter. Save the aggressive driving for when it counts, and when the engine is fully warmed up. Smooth, steady acceleration is not only better for your motor, but saves fuel, too. Your petrol engine isn't bulletproof. Treat it right, avoid these habits, and it'll reward you with smooth performance and a longer life. Like and subscribe if you want to keep your engine and your money running strong.